Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a data-capable USB cable and an unlocked phone. Plug the cable into your phone and PC now. The device will show a USB notification. Tap that notification and choose File Transfer or MTP so the computer can read files. If you plan to use a DB or advanced tools, enable developer options and toggle USB debugging. This allows commands and restores full access. Once done, the phone is visible to the computer, and you're ready for the next steps. With the phone plugged in and in file transfer mode, your computer may need drivers or software. Install or update them now so communication is stable. On Windows, follow the driver prompts. On Mac, open Android File Transfer to browse files. When the phone asks to allow USB debugging or to trust the computer, tap Allow. This RSA key authorization prevents unauthorized access and ensures secure transfers. Once authorized, the computer lists storage, and you can move files, run backups, or use syncing apps. Now transfer files. Open File Explorer or Android File Transfer, then drag and drop folders or individual files where you want them. For large transfers, monitor progress and keep the phone awake to prevent pauses. After transfers finish, eject the device from your computer to flush caches and avoid corruption. On the phone, switch USB mode back to charging if you're done. If the device isn't detected, try another cable, a different USB port, or toggle USB modes. This simple troubleshooting often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.